everybody, welcome to Florence Nightingale School of Chicago. Florence Nightingale was built in 1925 to serve about 300 children from pre-kinder to 8th grade. Well, things have changed. There are more students every year, and more rooms were desperately needed. So by 1998, a new addition was completed, giving us 17 new classrooms, a new library, tech lab, offices, and a huge multi-purpose room used for everything from breakfast, lunch, volleyball, special events, and parties. This addition was still not enough space. By 2003, we added 4 more classrooms on the northeast corner of our now 4-building campus and used it for our kindergarten. Doesn't that look great? Today, we have over 1,380 students enrolled with a teacher staff of 71 and countless support staff from counselors to teacher aides to lunchroom and custodial personnel. Our technology department was on track from the early 90s with computers in all classrooms and several computer labs. We have over 200 computers. For all these years, we have had an in-house television station and are currently updating to an all-digital movie archive system. Our 8th grade science class is computer-based with most of the course on the computer. Our tech lab is a taste of different technological venues from model building, to TV and radio broadcasting, to rocket science. Students follow the computer instructions. Cool, isn't it? Our music department puts on great seasonal assemblies, plus teacher and student talent shows, International Week, and graduation. Our theater department is in its spectacular season after full productions of Annie, Schoolhouse Rock, Once on This Island, and The Music Man. We are very proud of our young stars and staff. Over 125 students participate in this program. Our video department produces news stories for Kid Witness News. They learn to operate video technology and learn acting and speaking skills. We have received 10 national first place awards.
1994 New Vision Award for the Best News Production goes to the team from the Nightingale School, Chicago, Illinois.
The winner of the Videography Award, Florence Nightingale School, Chicago, Illinois, for Twist of Fate.
They also produce the 8th grade video yearbook and make videos like this one. In sports, we have a very good volleyball and basketball program. All in all, Nightingale School is a great place, and we welcome you here today. Have a great time.